Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that came all the way from UK, United Kingdom, and this came from Ironheart. And there is a story of this item. This item was released 2 months ago, and upon seeing the item on their catalog on their website, I immediately decided to have this item because on their previous releases I was not able to get this kind of shirt. By the way, this is a flannel shirt, and this was one of the latest releases of Ironheart in the category of 9 ounces flannel, and we will see what is inside. And as usual, I ordered this item direct from Ironheart, United Kingdom, and have it sent to Johnny Air Cargo, which has an address in Los Angeles, California, and then in USA, and then the Johnny Air Cargo in the United States sent it to the Philippines, and after 7 days since the time I ordered this item, I finally got this from the Showmart or SM Mega Mall in Mandaluyong, Metro Manila. So, very easy. And we're going to unbox or unwrap this item. Since 2022, I've been ordering Ironheart from UK, and I never had any problems with regards to the shipping of the said item through Johnny Air Cargo. Most of the time, I received so many questions or comments from my social media account on asking on how I was able to buy such item. And there are so many options or ways wherein you can get Ironheart here in the Philippines. It's either you go to the Signet store in Metro Manila or order directly from London or UK, United Kingdom, for any item that is available on their website. So we're going to open and see what is inside, and we'll see if there is anything. No stickers, and oh, I'm sorry. There is a sticker of 666, the popular cut of their jeans, and which happens to be my favorite cut in their jeans. So we'll just set this aside for the moment, and this is their Ironheart work shirt. I was intending to buy their Western shirt, but it was sold out after a few hours, and the work shirt is only the one that is available. And it's okay with me because I like the colorway. I wanted to have this kind of colorway since the time this kind of colorway on the flannel was released. The size of this is small. I usually have a small size in flannel shirt and their denim shirt. So this is their IHSH 442, size small, and the color is orange. So as compared to the Western shirt, you have buttons. It's not button, but you know, ordinary button, and you have open pockets on the left and the right breast portions, and of course you don't have those yoke on the front. It's barely straight cut, and this one is straight cut on the belly side as compared to the Western shirt. This is a little bit curved or slimmer. I will not indulge on the measurements or size description of the different, parts of the shirt, but for reference, my preference for the shoulder is 17 inches. The pit to pit is 20.5 to 21 inches. The abdomen or waist is 20 inches, and the opening is 20 inches. And the sleeves is 23.5 to 24.5 inches. And the length is, sometimes you have a length of maximum of 28 inches. So basically that is my size dimension or size data for the size small in my Iron Heart shirts. I'm going to unbutton, and we will see what is inside of the shirt. Of course, you have two front pockets on the breast. Sometimes I hate buying work shirts because of these buttons as compared to, having snap buttons. And for a mere difference of $20 to $30, you have a cheaper work shirt on Iron Heart. It's okay with me. What I like about this shirt is the colorway or the color, which is orange. So we'll go now to the fitting video of this IHSH 442, and we will see how it fits to my body. So with that, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye.